This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming essentials and taking the first actionable steps. First, open your browser settings and check the default search engine so Google is selected. This ensures queries go to the right engine. Once done, sign into your Google account and enable Sync to save preferences and history. Then disable extensions temporarily to isolate any interference. This helps identify if an add-on blocked search results. These steps set a clean baseline, so subsequent fixes target the real cause rather than symptoms. Now you diagnose the core problems and perform detailed fixes. Clear cache and cookies to remove corrupt data that can break Google search behavior. This often restores normal loading and result rendering. Next, visit Google.com/preferences and reset search settings to default so filters or safe search aren't hiding results. Then run an incognito test and check another device. If Google works elsewhere, the issue is local to your browser or profile, so consider creating a fresh profile or reinstalling the browser to eliminate persistent corruption. Finish by restoring and validating a stable setup and know one key troubleshooting tip. Re-enable extensions one by one so you can identify any that break Google search. Once found, remove or update that extension. Make sure your browser and operating system are up to date to avoid compatibility bugs. If problems persist, sign out of your Google account, remove it from the device, then add it back to refresh authentication and sync. If all else fails, the most effective last resort is reinstalling the browser. This resolves deep configuration corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.